First, we're going to set the flash, making sure that it's ready to receive orders. If you turn the TT685 on, you will see that it's in TTL mode and it's ready to work on camera. But we need to set it to radio slave mode. And we do this by pressing the sync button, this button on the right that has a horizontal thunderbolt, and we press it twice. In some other flashes, you may need to press it more times. Just make sure that you have an antenna icon on the top left of your screen, and you see the word slave on the center of the screen. The next step is to set the channel that we're going to use for the transmitter and receiver to communicate. It's pretty easy. You see that now that this soft button is now labeled CH, so we're going to press this button and we see the channel number is now selected. We only need to rotate the wheel until we get to the channel that we're going to use. In my case, channel 9. I now press the set button to confirm our selection. Our next step is to set the ID, which is a custom function. So we need to get to the custom function menu by pressing the zoom pressing and holding the zoom custom function soft button until we get to the custom function menu. We're going to turn the wheel until we get to the ID function. We now press the set button. So we now select the ID value. We can turn the ID function off, or we can select a value for it. In my case, I'm going to select a value, which is 18. Now that I have the value that I want, press the set button again, and I'm going to press the return button to return to the regular screen. Now let's assign this flash to a group. It is currently assigned to group A, but if we want to change it, we only need to press the soft button labeled GR or group, and we'll see the group changes from A to C. I'm going to assign this flash to group B. Now let's talk about the zoom. You can assign a zoom value manually by pressing the zoom button once, and you see that the zoom value is now highlighted. We only need to rotate the wheel. The value can go from 20 millimeters all the way to 200. But if we go back, you will see that at some point from past 20 millimeters, the value is now 3 dashes, and next to the zoom label, there's a letter A. This means that the flash is going to listen to an order that tells the zoom which zoom value it should have. This flash is now ready to receive orders on channel 9 using ID 18. It will respond to orders directed towards group B. These orders should include the flash mode, the power setting, and the zoom value. Now let's set the transmitter.